Hello, I'm Robert Peng, and welcome to my 13-module, 1-year professional healer training, the Inner Transmission of Qigong. My master Xiaoyao used to say, everybody is a gold mine, meaning healing is a gift that everybody has, as long as you have the right way to cultivate it. And that is exactly what this training is about. To develop your natural healing power and ability, we focus on 3 essential foundations. First foundation, your internal power. You will learn practices such as sword finger meditation and magic palm standing meditation to store, build, and circulate your energy so that you become an excellent transformer of universal Qi. Second foundation, the healing techniques. What is special about my lineage from my master Xiaoyao is the organic integration of Yin and Yang techniques. Yang techniques work through touching, pressing, and activating the body, such as Tai Chi press, power palm, and press release. Yin techniques work without touch, using practices such as sword finger, magic palm, and yin yang catch to clear and nourish Qi. Third foundation are advanced practices, which include third eye empowerment, inviting master, and remote healing. In this way, step by step, week by week, month by month, you will begin to experience a real shift. By the end of this program, you will be able to conduct a complete Qigong healing session with confidence, structure, and real effectiveness. When the techniques are no longer techniques, the energy flows through you naturally, and you begin to treat with pure intuition. That is when you become a true Qigong healer. Join me in this training. I look forward to seeing you there.